Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life and another video. This is the start of our Florida vacation holiday 2024. We're very excited. It's 5 a.m. precisely, waiting for our taxi. And let's take you on this incredible journey. This is of course day one, the travel vlog. So we'll take you through all of the trials and tribulations. Hopefully this is a relatively stress-free day. Just got the last few items to pack, and then we'll be on our way. Let's go. So I left you guys hanging a very long time there because our journey is now complete. It's MJ from the future here. So before we go into the room tour, which is currently where I am, it's the morning after. I wanted to talk a little bit about the flight and just everything that happened yesterday because I didn't go into too much depth or details yesterday. Flight was good. It was on time pretty much, and food was all right. We had stuff like came around with like a barbecue corn snack that was enjoyable. That was exactly the same as last time actually. I don't know if I got much footage last time, but it was either on TikTok or somewhere. If I can find it, I'll put some footage in. But yeah, we got barbecue snack. Then we got a meal, which was a bit odd because it was like the equivalent like at 10:30 a.m. or something, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like
11:15 maybe.
9:20, and that came round maybe an hour and a half into the flight.
Yeah.
So it was
11 a.m. ish.
Like, I don't want barbecue chicken at 11 a.m.
Yeah, so we had barbecue chicken with like grains and potato wedgie type things and a little salad and bread roll and stuff. Fine, pretty it was tasty. Then the next item was an ice lolly that they brought around. I chose not to have it, didn't fancy it. And then, why are you laughing?
Because you only decided not to have it as soon as you saw it's got like hidden veg in it.
No, I didn't.
I didn't finish it all because it was weird.
That's not why I didn't have it. I just didn't want it. They were like handing stuff out. I was like, oh yeah, grabbed it, and I was like, oh, I don't want an ice lolly.
I don't understand why they.
I'm not bothered about the hidden veg.
They always used to.
It used to be a fab, didn't it? Yeah. So yeah, then we had that, and then it was what was the next thing? Just the actual snack pack, the afternoon tea. So warm scone, clotted cream jam. Such a mental thing for to give out on a flight. Like, I'm on a flight, I'm in economy, so I've got crowded, and you want me to construct a cream tea. It's very bizarre. Oh, and some little sandwiches, actually. I tell you what, one of them was like cream cheese and cucumber. I am getting into cream cheese and cucumber sandwiches. So I might do that as a thing that I'll eat when we get home. So that'd be cool. And then when we arrived in Orlando, we used the MPC. You might not be familiar with this. We heard it from Lift Hills and Frills. The MPC, it stands for like the mobile passport something. It's basically an app that you download. So download it before you come to the US of A. Put in all your passport details and all that stuff. Take a photo. Get all of your details on there registered. And then when you land, you press a button to say that you've landed, and you say where you are, like which terminal and stuff, which also wasn't particularly clear. I had to ask someone where we actually were. But yeah, then you put in that information, and it basically allows you to go into a separate queue. So we went into a separate queue, and it took about 10 to 15 minutes to queue through here. There still weren't many border patrol officer things actually taking people in, but this was a much shorter wait than the other side, which had 3 rows of people back and forth and only a couple people serving again. So that would have I would have guessed that would have taken between 45 minutes to an hour and a half would be my guess. So it definitely saved a decent chunk of time. Then we got out, a little bit of stress because our bags weren't there, but yeah, after 10 minutes they came out. So yeah, 10 minutes of I don't know if other people get anxious and stressed about your bag not coming out, but yeah, that then happened. Got them, and then everything else was very smooth. Picked up the car, came back to the hotel, and then I will rewind in time now and play the rest of this room tour. And we have arrived. We are staying. You've probably just seen the size of it. It's absolutely massive. We're staying at the Staybridge Suites at SeaWorld. So we've got a proper actual kitchen area. Massive, proper full-size fridge. Just, areas and whatnot. Large sofa, large bed. It's very clean, smells fine. Long but fine. And yes,
Come on, pack now.
Yeah, we've got to unpack, and then I think we'll go Taco Bell or 7-Eleven.
I'm going to CVS.
You want to go to CVS today?
It's right next door to 7-Eleven.
Wow. So yeah, we'll
I've got to get ready. I've got to get Claritin stuff.
get clarity. Oh, that's true. Yeah, so we'll do that in a minute. Oh my God, we're back from Taco Bell and our little shopping trip to the shops around the corner, and I scored the ultra limited edition Baja Blast gelato. I think this is like limited to like 200 units per store. So didn't expect to get this, but absolutely buzzing. And can just pop it in the freezer because I don't want it now. Okay, very buzzing for the Cantina Chicken Crispy Taco from Taco Bell. Oh my God, it's boiling hot. This looks so good. It might be a bit hard for me to eat whilst filming, actually. We're now watching American football, or we will be. Because Claire supports Kansas City Chiefs.
I don't support anyone. I'm obviously a Swiftie, isn't it?
Swiftie. Yeah, that meal was cracked, guys. The Taco Bell America just hits different, yo. They got this like Cantina chicken range at the moment. Actually, I think it's permanent. I'm pretty sure it's permanent. So we got the Cantina Chicken Crispy Taco, which is filled with like this slow cooked, soft like chicken. Yeah, I'm sure it's really slow cooked. And you get this special avocado verde salsa. This is like avocado, sort of light green pepper and chili vibes with a bit of heat. Like, I've seen people review this and say it's amazing. It's like one per customer and stuff. Or one per item, I should say. One per Cantina chicken item. And yeah, it bloody slaps. So we got a few of them extra. So made up with that. And yeah, it was a delicious meal. So I think I'm going to close this day one travel vlog here. I say travel vlog. We filmed absolutely no travel whatsoever. And it was basically just an intro to our hotel. But today... This is Friday. We're going to Islands of Adventure, so that'll be the next vlog. Islands of Adventure. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.